Asparagus, often hailed as the king of vegetables, is a true delight for any gardener. This perennial vegetable, with its distinctive flavor and tender spears, can grace your table for years to come. Unlike many vegetables that require annual replanting, asparagus, once established, can thrive in your garden for 15 years or more. Imagine strolling through your garden in early spring, greeted by the sight of fresh asparagus spears emerging from the soil. This is the magic of growing asparagus, a long-term investment that rewards you with bountiful harvests year after year. Growing asparagus is a rewarding experience for gardeners of all levels. It's a chance to connect with nature, understand the rhythms of the seasons, and enjoy the fruits of your labor literally. So if you're looking for a gardening adventure that offers both challenge and satisfaction, look no further than asparagus. Asparagus is not just a delicious vegetable, it's also incredibly nutritious. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, asparagus is a healthy addition to any diet, but the benefits of growing your own asparagus extend beyond the plate. For starters, you'll know exactly where your asparagus comes from, ensuring it's free from harmful pesticides and chemicals. Plus, there's nothing quite like the taste of freshly harvested asparagus, bursting with flavor and nutrients. Growing asparagus also allows you to connect with nature and witness the fascinating life cycle of a perennial plant. From planting the crowns to witnessing the first spears emerge, every stage is a rewarding experience. Moreover, a well-maintained asparagus patch adds beauty and structure to your garden, creating a vibrant focal point. Planting asparagus might seem daunting, but with the right steps, you'll be well on your way to establishing a thriving asparagus bed. The key is to start with healthy asparagus crowns, which are essentially one-year-old asparagus plants. Choose a sunny spot in your garden with well-drained soil. Asparagus prefers slightly acidic soil with a pH of around 6.5. Before planting, prepare the bed by digging trenches about 12 inches deep and 18 inches wide. Space the asparagus crowns about 18 inches apart in the trenches, spreading the roots carefully. Cover the crowns with about 2 inches of soil and water them thoroughly. As the asparagus grows, gradually fill the trenches with soil until they're level with the surrounding ground. Section 4. Asparagus Aftercare. A light touch for long-term rewards. Once your asparagus is planted, it needs regular care to thrive and produce abundant spears. The good news is that asparagus is relatively low maintenance once established. Watering is crucial, especially during dry spells. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Weeding is also essential to prevent competition for nutrients and sunlight. Fertilize your asparagus plants in early spring with a balanced fertilizer to promote healthy growth. As the asparagus ferns grow tall, consider staking them to prevent them from flopping over. Section 5. Reaping the rewards, harvesting and sustaining your asparagus patch. Patience is key when it comes to harvesting asparagus. In the first year after planting, resist the temptation to harvest any spears. This allows the asparagus plants to establish strong roots and store energy for future growth. In the second year, you can harvest a few spears per plant for a short period. From the third year onwards, you can enjoy a full harvest, typically lasting about 6 to 8 weeks. To harvest asparagus, simply snap the spears off at the base when they're about 6 inches tall. After the harvest season, allow the asparagus ferns to grow and turn brown. This foliage nourishes the roots for the following year's growth. Cut back the ferns in late autumn or early spring before new growth emerges. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown asparagus for many years to come. Happy gardening!